Hi mga guys! Record muna tayo before tayo mag-Holy Week.
Come stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Yes, you'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be in my heart always. Why can't they understand the way you feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know it's different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. And you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other to have to hold. They'll see in time. I know when destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you've gotta hold on. They'll see in time. I know we'll show them together, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Yes, you'll be in my heart. No matter what they say. Yes, you'll be in my heart always. Always.
Di ko alam kung bakit trending tong kantang to. Sige, pero i-cover na din natin. Thank you so much, guys!
Thank you!
Thank you! Ingat po kayo sa pag-celebrate ng Holy Week. See you soon, guys. Bye!
Bye-bye.
Sample.
Sample.
You'll be in
Bye, guys!